Good morning. My name is Keith Brown. I'm with Daycom Service. Welcome back. Today we're going to go through adding staples on a typical mid-volume color machine. Okay, so to add the staples, just pull this door open. There's a handle in here. Most time it's R6 labeled, but you can pull this out. And this is your staple cartridge with the green tab on it. You grab this piece here, pull it up at up till basically it hits, and it will typically slide back for you. And then to replace the cartridges, there's two green tabs on here. Can't quite do it now because it's full, but when it's empty, you'll squeeze these and it will pop up. Once it pops up, you'll remove this white sleeve. You'll just pull it out all together. The new package will come with a tape wrapped around it. Slide the whole package in and then just peel the tape from the back and then close it. That will keep kind of everything together for you so it doesn't fall out. One thing you don't want to do is don't throw away this whole cartridge. Then we'll have to order a new cartridge for you. To replace it, basically set it in the tray, move it up, you'll see how it will tip at an angle again, and then make sure it clicks into place. Okay, once you have the door closed or the unit back in, close the door. You'll hear it basically like it's doing a stapling action a couple times, and you should be set. Thanks. Hope this helped. If you have any more questions, you can call us at 314-442-2800, or you can visit our website in the link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tips. Thank you.
Subscribe for more tech tips or visit us at daycom.com to learn more.